everyone, I'm Lynette Clark and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am unboxing my brand new journal ready for 2022. So far, I've only ever used Archer and Olive notebooks. For 2021, I used a B5 craft paper and an A5 white dotted notebook. Now, if I'm honest, I am reluctant to try a different brand of notebook because I like to use a lot of watercolour paint when I'm journaling. And because the paper is so nice and thick, I know that there won't be any bleeding or any ghosting. However, back in October, I saw this Moonlit Spells notebook and washi tapes advertised from Notebook Therapy, and I fell in love and thought I would give it a try. I haven't actually opened it until I needed to, so I have no idea what it looks like in the flesh. Just a little side note, as I'm a vegetarian, a huge selling point for me is the fact that these notebooks are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Well, so far I am really impressed with the packaging for both the notebook and the washi tapes. They are so beautiful. And I've even got some bubble wrap to pop. So far so good. I'm impressed with the packaging. Now let's see how thick the paper is and how it compares to the Archer and Olive. Now, I have a terrible memory and a few months have passed now since I've ordered this, so I have almost forgotten what the design on the front of this notebook is. So it's almost going to be a surprise as to what I'm going to get. Okay, now I remember exactly why I ordered this. This is so beautiful. And I can't wait to see what these kind of journals have to offer. I absolutely adore the swirls and the motifs on the front. This is so me. And black, so classic, one of my favourite colours. So just having a little flick through, the paper seems nice and thick, so that's promising. And that holographic foil edging is so pretty. So whilst checking out the pocket at the back, I noticed that there was this little crystal ball bookmark that's absolutely adorable and a really nice little freebie. There's a really cute little inscription in the back that says, "Under the moonlight glow, brightens my heart and soul. Its secrets this book will only know." So the paper is 160 GSMs ultra thick, and I'm just comparing it to my Archer and Olive, and yep, it feels the same, so happy with that, and hopefully it will withstand my watercolours and everything else that I have to throw at it. And now on to the Tsuki Moonlit Spells washi tape set. If I can just figure out how on earth I'm going to get into them. And that reaction right there is the realization that it really shouldn't have been as hard as I made it out to be. Honestly, I don't know if it was my nails or I'm just me, but I struggled for a bit too long to get into these. And it's not something that should have been difficult either. Anywho, on to the washi tape. So you get 6 in a box, one 7mm, which was the first one that I showed, 3 15mm tapes, and they all have these beautiful mystical designs and moon phases. And this one is a roll of circle stickers with so many cute designs, but my favourite by far is the little black cat. And then finally there is this 30mm transparent matte tape that's absolutely gorgeous. It's moon phases and all holographic. I didn't want to unroll it yet, so if you want to see how it actually looks, then check out the website. I think it's notebooktherapy.com. So the verdict is absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to start using it. which leads very nicely to the fact that I will be having my 2022 yearly bullet journal setup video out this weekend. So I hope you check that out. Let me know in the comment section below if you're a fan of notebook therapy journals, or if you're more of a Archer and Olive fan, or both, or if indeed you prefer another brand. If you like this video, then please check out my other videos, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much. Take care and bye.